So this is the first time Kobe met his new sister Moki. We're going to go through the first 7 days they've spent together. Question is, will they even get on? Good boy. Well done, Kobe. That's right, we can fix it.
He's like, guys, look at his mouth.
Day 2 did not go how we thought it would. Kobe did not like his new puppy. He'd been an only dog for 4 years, so it's completely understandable that he didn't like this tiny new monster in his home. Day 3 consisted of Moki getting used to her new surroundings. Day 4 is a super fun one. It's the very first time we took them out together.
Oh, that was good.
So day 5 is super cute. Moki put all her time and effort into creating a friendship with Kobe. She would follow him around everywhere.
You trying to pet him like Mum does?
On the 6th day, we decided to introduce Moki to a bunch of new things.
Come on, Moki.
The 7th day is definitely the best. It's the first time that Kobe actually showed some signs of bonding with his new puppy. And finally, the first time he actually played with her. And I think he was really just coming to terms with the fact that she's here to stay.
I think he's gonna